Meet the Super 7, 7 powerful principles that help you learn with confidence, purpose, and independence. Seeing the bigger picture helps you see how each lesson fits into the wider context, from topic to career. When you understand the structure and purpose, routines and expectations, you feel more engaged and ready to learn. Great learning happens when new ideas link to what you already know. By activating existing knowledge, guided practice, and review, you build a strong, lasting foundation. Language building helps you sharpen how you think and communicate. By mastering subject-specific words and expressing your ideas, you navigate complex topics and engage in meaningful discussions. Skills that matter in college and beyond. Words build wisdom. By asking and answering questions, your understanding deepens, critical thinking grows, and you see topics from different perspectives in a supportive environment. Just like exercising a muscle, when you bring back learning at intervals, through spacing and mixing topics, your memory strengthens and performance improves, whether in exams or practical tasks. Assessment and feedback isn't one way, it's a conversation. You reflect, receive feedback, adjust and improve. That loop builds confidence, deeper understanding and better outcomes. Finally, remember to take ownership of your learning journey. Explore beyond the classroom, apply skills, ask questions. You will become confident, self-aware and ready for lifelong success. Visit newbury-college.ac.uk/Super7 to find out more about how Newbury College used the Super 7 to supercharge your learning journey.